Okay.
Do 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 science. Do 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 science. Do 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 do. You're done?
Done. Hey guys, hope you guys are all still doing well. Today I am going to go over the very basics of an acid and bases PowerPoint with you. So just to show you what I'm looking at on your calendar, if you look, we are here on April 15th. You guys just finished up your vocab. Hopefully you guys all found that key. I posted and shared that with you. Those are the classroom definitions that we would normally do together. I just shared out that information with you. So you should be able to find that in your Gmail account or on your drive. But today we're going to look at acids and bases. So I've also shared this with you, this Google slide information. But what you guys need to do is you have something called properties of acids and bases. It's very short and sweet. It's just a column of properties of acids and bases. And there's information here for you to fill out. Essentially, all you're going to do is you're going to go into your PowerPoint that should look like this, and you're going to collect that information. So it asks you for a pH range. A pH range is referring to a number scale from close to 0 all the way up to 14. You guys should be familiar with this, but a number 7 is in the middle of your pH scale, and so that would be considered neutral. And on either end of that, you'll be considered acidic or basic. And so I want you to record those ranges there. So what are the ranges for being acidic and what are the ranges for being basic? Then I want you to look up taste. Again, I tell you about all of this in the PowerPoint. It's actually even on the first few slides. You probably only have to go through, I would say, slide 15 or so. It does go further. It does talk about other things. But you should be able to get all of this information. Try and fill out an other as well. Or here, let me back up. So taste is just going to be, what does it taste like? Generate ions. We've talked about what ions are. Again, ions are molecules with charge. And so it will tell you back in here which forms which type of ion. And what you're looking for is an element with a symbol of charge next to it. So is it an element with a plus or a minus? And again, I'm not trying to do your homework for you. But for example, acids are going to form this H plus ion. So it is pretty simple to go out and find this information within the PowerPoint, but just a few tips there. And then indicators. Indicators is talking about the different, this whole slide here that's called reaction with indicators. It will tell you everything you need to know about the acids and the bases and neutrals. And so basically if you have a litmus paper, acids will turn red and bases will turn blue, and then it talks about some other indicators as well. But again, I want you to record that information in your property sheet, and then other is just a column for you guys to do whatever else you found interesting. I'm going to give you some more room here to fill this out. But that is all you have to do for this sheet. Again, you have that PowerPoint to look back at. It should be pretty straightforward. But after you complete that, let me get your chemistry one back up. You guys should be good to go. I've got a lab that we're going to try out. We'll see if we do that or not. I haven't done it virtually before. But after you fill that out, you are good for the day. Tomorrow you'll have a reading guide, and then if I can't figure out that lab, you may have another reading guide for you on Friday as well. But hope that made sense. If you guys have any questions, as always, please feel free to email me. I'm on my email all the time. I respond super quick. But yeah, that's what I got for today. Enjoy!
Do 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 science. Do 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 science. Do 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 science. Do 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 science. Do 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 science. Do 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 science.